Good morning. We're out here in Park City visiting my brother, and he owns this home here. And I'm observing the composite deck that he's got on his house, and I'm not sure the age of it, but I want to show you what a novice will do when they build a deck and they don't know what they're doing with composite materials. If we take a look here at these steps, you can see this groove right here. Well, this groove, this board, should not have been used here. This should have been a non-grooved board, so you don't show this groove. This groove is for the field of the deck and is used to, when you use the concealed fasteners, they go in between the groove to hold it down. So on any time you have an exposed edge, you buy a non-groove board because it's far more decorative and you don't get breakage like you see here, because that edge is vulnerable, especially when it's exposed like this. So when you hire the experts, you get a great job. When you hire inexperienced, you get this. Have a great day.